Hello. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about the application process and the requirements. The requirements of Palfish. O, paano po mag-apply? Kasi marami na po nag-message sa atin kasi hindi po natin yan may isa-isa. Ayan. So get ready with me and let's talk about them. First is the requirements. No, simple lang naman ang requirements ni Palfish. If you have these 5, then good na tayo dyan. First one is, meron na po ba tayong device na at least 4 GB RAM? Ang ginagamit po namin dito is cellphone or tablet. And you can use laptop naman, pero hindi mo po magagamit yung ibang features ng Palfish like AR filters, na which is very important to make your class more engaging. Second is teaching certificate. Meron na po ba kayong TEFL or TESOL certificate? Kung wala pa, kumuha po kayo. And if you are a PRC holder naman po, then you can have your PRC ID na. Okay na yun. Third one is your headset. May nagtanong sa atin, no, kung pwede ba daw na hindi na muna gumamit ng headset. Then you can do naman. Pero if you want to apply and for demo, syempre tinitignan naman din nila your audio quality. No? Yung quality ng audio mo. Kaya kailangan talaga meron kang headset. Kasi kapag marinig nila yung mga ingay dun sa paligid, lalong-lalo na yung nakikitaan nila ng mga red flags. Yan, sure bull. Hindi ka baka hindi ka talaga matanggap. Yan, at saka mayroon na naman akong ilalagay dyan sa mga links. Visit me on my Visit me on my blue app. Andun yung mga links na yan, lahat ng mga ginagamit ko. And of course, your valid ID. Yun lang. Valid ID kasi for verification of your nationality. Kung wala ka pang valid ID, wala pang passport, wala kang valid ID, then birth certificate will do. Okay, now let's proceed to the application process. Now, madali lang naman yung process natin. First is download the Palfish Teachers app. Then, enter your active mobile number to make an account, and then magsasend si Palfish yun ng verification code. Then, don't forget to my code as an inviter, 584-39544, so that I can track your application status and guide you throughout the way. Lalong-lalo na yung mga tips and tricks sa demo natin. And after that, pag nakagawa na kayo, nakareceive na kayo ng code ni Palfish, then go and complete your profile. Of course, kasi walang resume si Palfish. So all you need to do is to fill in the necessary information na hinihingi nila. Of course, your name, address, your contact number, and your background, your experiences. Just pitch yourself in. Ibida mo ang sarili mo. Okay? Bakit ka dapat tatanggapin ni Palfish? Dito mo na rin ilalagay yung text intro and audio intro. Basta pitch yourself in. Yun lang talaga. Ibida mo sarili mo. Mag-Jollibee tayo dyan. And of course, your Payoneer or Airwallex account. Pwede ka pong gumawa ng Payoneer account mo na para i-link mo doon para naman din sa sahod purposes. Then after that, just submit it. Pagkatapos nun, then the third step is demo or interview. Well, here in Palfish, ang interview is not a typical interview na may kaharap kang HR. Here, recorded lang na demo. Yun lang. Magti-teach ka, and ikaw lang talaga mag-isa dun sa room, and you act as if there's a student. Okay, use the tools, and pakita mo yung skills mo on how to teach kids, no? Use props, TPRs, and please, be energetic. Then, use my code. Sa mga lahat po na gumagamit ng code ko as my inviter, I will guide you throughout the way, and I will give you tips and tricks and what to prepare, no? Sa lahat ng mga nalalaman ko. Nalaman ko lang, para ma-guide sa inyo sa inyong demo. Just use my code, 584-39544. And then, after that, pagkatapos na ng demo, then you're set. At mag-wait na lang po tayo ng verification code. No, not code. Mag-wait na lang tayo ng result ng inyong demo. Kailan daw po ba makaka-receive ng result? Hindi ko po talaga yun siya kung ma-pinpoint kung kailan. Kasi nga, yung natin, yung si Palfish, yung mga inviter ko na sa experience ko, may mga mga invitees ako na kinabukasan or within the day, andyan agad yung result. Pero yung iba, umabot po talaga ng 4 months. So, iba-iba. Pero parang ngayon, parang mabilis na naman. Then after that, pagkatapos ng demo, then you can magsasend na sila sa inyo ng message if you pass. And if you pass, congratulations! Because ilang minuto na lang or ilang oras na lang, magiging official Palfish teacher ka na. Then after that, you can proceed to the quizzes. Opo, may quizzes po dito. Pero napakadali lang kasi may mga modules naman na masusundan. And pagkatapos ng quizzes, just pass it. Kailangan lang naman nila is 8 out of 10 for you to pass. Then, pagkatapos noon, you can finish your bootcamp. Bootcamp, oo. Parang quiz lang naman din siya, pero it talks about the do's and don'ts, yung mga rules and regulations and penalties dito ni Palfish. Yeah, yun yung iwasan natin, mga penalties. Pagkatapos ng bootcamp, then you can proceed to the PF1 and PF2 and you will receive naman po ng certificate which can help you attract students. Yan, certificate na nakakatapos na kayo ng PF1 and PF2. And then, makakatanggap na kayo ng bookings. And please, your first 48 hours is very crucial, no? Kasi nakatutok sa inyo yung class admins. Kaya, congratulations! Just use my code, 584-39544. Yan lang. Human na. Pako na human dire. Char.